In this tutorial, I'll be talking about switch statements. This is a switch. And what is the function of a switch? A switch is used in controlling the flow of electrons in a circuit. This may sound too high. To come to a low-level language, a switch can be used for lighting a bulb. When the switch is on, the bulb will be on. And when the switch is off, the bulb goes off. We notice that this statement of ours can be represented in if-else statements. We can have something like this: if on, bulb is on. Else if off, bulb is off. So from this statement of ours, it is very clear that switch and if-else statements are the same thing. In programming, switch and if-else statements do the same thing. The only difference between the two is in the syntax. Now let us compare the syntax of switch and if-else statement. This is for if-else, and this is for switch statements. In if-else statements, you continuously repeat the reference, which is $value, in your conditions. This is $value and this is $value. But in switch statements, you only write the reference once. When you are doing the comparison, you don't repeat the reference. You only write case and the value to compare with the reference. In this case, it is 1. So case 1 is similar to having something like if $value, it's same thing as 1. And here you have case 2. Instead of having else if $value is same thing as 2. The same thing as case 3. Instead of having else if $value is same thing as 3. And here you have, for the else statement, when all these conditions are false, this is going to be executed. For switch statement, it is called default. So this default is going to run if all the 3 cases above are false. It is similar to else in the if-else statement.